Assalamu alaikum and a very good morning to all of you. How are you all? I hope that you all will be doing fabulous. Dear students, today we have to do the back exercise of the novel Much Ado About Nothing. As we have already read this novel and I have explained this novel in my previous video. If you have missed that video, this video is available in the Umul Qura Public School channel in YouTube. So you can go and watch the video from there, and then we have to do the back exercise. So kindly all of you open the book page number 74 and 75 of the book Tales from Shakespeare book 1 so that we may start our today's topic. The first exercise from the back exercise is answer these questions after you have read Much Ado About Nothing. So yes, you have already read and I have explained this chapter to you. So moving forward to the question number 1, that is, why did Beatrice decide not to mock Benedict any longer? Have you remembered why Beatrice decided not to mock Benedict any longer? Yes, if you have remembered, she decided not to mock Benedict because she knew that the people who play tricks on others do not like the same things done to them. So you, dear students, you have to write the answers in your own words. I am just guiding you that how you have to write the answers. Okay, now moving forward to the next question, that is, describe how Hero used Ursula and Margaret to help her play the trick on Beatrice. Have you remembered who were Ursula and Margaret? Yes, both were the servants to Hero. And yes, you all, I know you all have remembered who was Hero. Hero was the daughter of Leonato, and Leonato was the governor of Messina, or Lord of Messina. Okay. So in this question, it is asked that how Hero used Ursula and Margaret to help her play the trick on Beatrice. Actually, if you have remembered, she asked Margaret to go to Beatrice and tell her to go to garden, the place where Benedict was reading. She asked Ursula to talk about Benedict. When Beatrice will come, then Hero will tell Ursula about Benedict's love to Beatrice. So you have to write the answer in your own words. Now moving forward to the next question. The next question is, why did John want to stop Claudio's marriage to Hero? Do you know who was John? Yes, John was the stepbrother of Claudio, or you may say half brother of Pedro. John was the stepbrother of Pedro. So he decided to stop Claudio's marriage to Hero just to make the prince and the Claudio unhappy. Now moving forward to the next question, that is, why did Beatrice ask Benedict to kill Claudio? Yes, if you have remembered, Beatrice asked Benedict to kill Claudio because he was the one who wronged with Hero. What wrong thing he did with Hero? He refused to marry Hero. Have you remembered? Okay, you have to write the answer in your own words then. Next, moving forward to the next question, that is question number 5. Why did the priest suggest that Hero should pretend to die? The answer is the priest suggested so that Claudio will begin to think well of her again and he will be sorry for what he did. So that is why priest suggested that Hero should pretend to die. Now moving forward to the last question of this exercise, that is, what was Claudio's punishment for shaming Hero? So have you remembered what was the punishment? Yes, he was punished by asking that he have to marry Hero's cousin in that morning. Okay, so his punishment was to marry Hero's cousin in the morning. But do you all know that there was no Hero's cousin, and Hero herself was disguised in her cousin's dress. Okay, she was not another girl but the Hero herself. So before writing answer these questions, what you have to write first, you have to write down the characters in the story. You have to maintain the title page of the novel Much Ado About Nothing. Then you have to write down the characters in the story. The characters are given at page number 63. Okay, the characters are Leonato, Hero, Beatrice, Pedro, John, Claudio, Benedict, Braccio, a priest, Margaret, and Ursula. Do you know who was Leonato? Leonato was the lord who governed Messina, and Hero. Do you know? Yes, Hero was the daughter of Leonato, who loves with Who loves Claudio? Okay, so you have to write the characters, and you have to make the title page for this novel. Then you have to do answer these questions. Next to the answer these questions, we have the next exercise, that is synonyms and antonyms. You have to do this exercise on your book. First exercise, match words in the list with synonyms from the box. So number one is sorrow, and the word given, synonym given in for the word sorrow is great sadness. Number two is lively, and the synonym given in the box is full of life. Number three is tease, and the synonym given for the word tease is make fun of. Okay. Number four is companion, and the synonym given in the box for companion is friend. Number five is announced, and the synonym given in the box for the word announced is to declared. And the last word to wrong, the synonym given in the box is to treat unfairly. Okay, so moving to the next exercise, that is match words in the list with antonyms from the box. The first one is word is high, and the antonym given in the box is low. The second word is serious, and the antonym given in the box is amusing. The third word is nobody, and the antonym given in the box is everybody for it. Okay, number fourth word is and the and the antonym given for the word and is beginning. Number five is loudly, and its antonym is quietly. Number six is willing, and its antonym is unwilling. So you have to do these two exercises on page number 74 on your book. Okay, take a lot of care of yourself. Stay at home. Stay healthy. Allah Hafiz.